Welcome to Echo English Vibes, where we transform your struggle with complex grammar rules into effortless and natural daily English communication. Have you learned all 12 English tenses but still freeze whenever you have to answer a simple question during real conversations? The problem is not that you lack knowledge, but that you have not learned how to choose the right tense quickly. In this lesson, you will learn how to turn the 5 most important English tenses into your natural speaking reflex today. You will be able to respond quickly without mentally flipping through an entire grammar book while you are talking to someone. The first step is simple. Stop asking which tense this is and start focusing entirely on what you are trying to express. Many learners memorize rules but still spend several precious seconds deciding which tense to use when they are actually speaking now. In a real conversation, you simply do not have time to recall those complicated grammar formulas while your partner is listening. What really matters is understanding that each tense has its own specific purpose, like habits, current events, past, or future plans. Pause the video right now and ask yourself, what am I trying to express, instead of which tense should I use? Once you start thinking this way, let us open the very first door to talking about your everyday life with confidence. Master the 2 most important tenses for everyday conversation, which are the present simple and the present continuous for your life. Use the present simple to talk about your habits and your daily life, keeping the sentences simple and easy to understand. Use the present continuous to talk about what is happening right now or perhaps your current stage of life right today. Do not try to make your sentences long, because a short sentence you say immediately is better than a perfect one. Practice switching quickly between saying "I study English every day" and describing what you are doing in this very moment now. Read each sentence out loud at least 3 times so your mouth gets used to responding naturally, without any hesitation whatsoever. Now that you can talk about the present, it is time to tell stories about your life, using past and perfect. To keep a conversation going, you need to know how to talk about yesterday and share your experiences with other people. Use the past simple to describe something that has already finished, which is essential for telling your stories in a sequence. Use the present perfect to talk about experiences or progress without mentioning a specific time, adding depth to your English stories. Do not try to memorize hundreds of irregular verbs all at once, as that will only slow down your speaking process significantly. Just practice the verbs you use every day so you can respond more quickly when you are engaged in a conversation. Right after this section, try talking about yesterday and one personal experience using 2 simple English sentences for your own practice. Now that you have learned to talk about the present and the past, let us move on to speaking naturally today. Use the future correctly instead of saying "will" for everything, as there are much better ways to express your future plans. Use "will" for decisions you make at the moment of speaking, promises, or predictions about things that might happen later on. Use the present continuous for plans and arrangements that have already been made, which makes your English sound much more natural. Simply knowing the difference between these 2 situations will make your English sound much more natural and also very professional indeed. Create 2 sentences of your own, one using "will" and one using the present continuous to talk about your future plans. Finally, let us put everything together into one simple speaking reflex system that takes just a few minutes every single day. Every day, say these 5 sentences out loud to train your brain to recognize and use these tenses without any hesitation. Start with "I usually," followed by your daily routine to get your mind into the right flow for speaking English fluently. Then say "right now I am," to describe your current activity and keep the momentum going for your daily English practice. Move to "yesterday I," which helps you practice recounting your past experiences in a very easy and very direct way today. Continue with "I have," to share your life experiences or progress without worrying about the specific time of the events occurred. Finish with "tomorrow I will," to express your future intentions and stay focused on what you want to achieve very soon. Do not just watch this video and nod along, because active participation is the key to improving your spoken English skills. Say the sentences out loud, record your voice, and repeat the exercise every day to make your speaking much more natural. These small daily speaking habits are what build real confidence in conversations So keep doing them consistently for better results now. Right after this video, complete the 5 sentences, 5 tenses challenge to see how much you have learned in this session. Record yourself speaking for 30 seconds and practice it every day for the next 7 days to master these essential tenses. You do not need to master every English tense to communicate well, because simplicity is the ultimate form of real sophistication. You only need 5 tenses, 5 purposes, and enough practice until your speaking reflex becomes faster than your fear of mistakes. The fear of making mistakes will disappear once you focus on the core structures that make your daily English conversation possible. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Echo English Vibes for more great lessons. Turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated with our latest tips and tricks for mastering the English language. Leave a comment with 5 English sentences using all 5 tenses to share your progress and learn from other students today. I will see you in the next video, where we will continue turning English grammar into real communication reflexes for everyone. Keep practicing your 5 tenses every single day, and you will soon notice a massive improvement in your overall speaking ability. Every small step counts towards your goal of fluency, so stay consistent and keep pushing yourself to speak more every day. Imagine how great it will feel to express your thoughts clearly without worrying about which grammar rule to use every time. You have the power to change how you learn by choosing the most effective methods instead of just following traditional rules. Writing down your sentences is another great way to reinforce what you have learned and prepare for your next conversation today. Connecting with others is the ultimate goal of learning a language, so use these tools to build bridges with new friends. Reviewing your own progress is a powerful tool to track your development and stay motivated throughout your journey to true fluency. Your confidence will grow as you apply these 5 tenses in different situations, from casual chats to more formal business meetings. Remember that learning should always be fun, so find ways to enjoy the process and celebrate every milestone you achieve today. Technology is a great ally in your journey, so use it to your advantage to practice whenever you have a spare moment. You can practice anywhere, even while walking or doing simple chores, to make English a natural part of your daily routine. Find a partner or a study group to practice with, because speaking with others is the best way to improve quickly. Once you master these 5 tenses, you will find it much easier to learn more advanced structures and expand your vocabulary. The world is full of opportunities for those who can communicate effectively, so keep working hard towards your amazing English goals. Make sure you keep your notes handy so you can review them whenever you need a quick refresher on these tenses. You are now equipped with the knowledge to succeed, so go out there and speak English with all the confidence possible. Your journey to fluency is just beginning, and we are proud to be a part of your success story every step. Thank you for watching this lesson, and remember to subscribe to Echo English Vibes for your future English learning journey today. We hope you feel more confident now, so keep practicing, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.